What's poppin', chef? I want to show you a great plugin to organize your Jersey Club sample library, and the plugin is called an ADSR sample manager. And basically, if you have a lot of sounds, it gets hard to find the exact sound you're looking for. Now with this plugin, you can look throughout your library. Now it also has its own tag system, so if you're looking for like a specific type of sound, so for example dog, I can click dog and you can see anything labeled as dog, such as bell dog. If you have loops, you can also sync it, BPM sync it to your DAW, or you can set the key, and you can also search as well. So if I wanted to search chip, now anything labeled as chip, I have it. That's it for today's video. It's a very short video, but it's a very useful video if you have a lot of sounds. And I'll see you in the next one.